Bro, hindi na sumasagot si Ethan. Ethan, sagot na, please. So, hello everyone. Ako nga pala si Dave. Isang expert horror streamer. At ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na Dead Feet. So, early access. Meron akong early access. Thank you so much, Solitary Studios. Binigay niya din ng free sa akin yung game. And so, sa horror game na to, para tayong vlogger type na something. Ewan, may hanapin tayo sa loob. Ayun yung alam kong information ng game. And huwag na natin patagalan pa. Let's play Dead Feed. Wow! Play, alam ko bakit. Fucking told you to go left. There's no house here. Just cornfields. Come on man, I'm the driver. Just trust me. I know we're heading the right way. Ano siya? It's giving Outlast vibe. We're finally here. What did I tell you, huh? Giving Outlast 1. Di ba Outlast 1 ganito sa umpisa? But sure this place is safe. I mean, we don't know if there might be some homeless people here. Don't know, man. Let's just hope and pray it's safe in here. Let's guess it's stupid ghost hunting over it. Oh, di ba ghost hunting nga? Kaya nga, Outlast vibe yung intro. Yo! Palitan ko yung sensitivity. Masyadong mabilis. Ay, DPI ko na lang. Controls. Master volume, sound. Okay, DPI na lang. Daw pa mawawala wifi, di makanood ng ayos. Ala, I have a feeling about this dude. Sino? Ito kasama mo? Stop being such a wimp. Let's just record some footage and get the hell out of here as soon as possible. Ganda ng graphics ah. Ang ano na maggawa ng game ni Kenneth ngayon. Ang realistic na sobra. Easy. Tingnan mo, may shadow pa oh. Realism. Ito lang yung hate ko sa game ni Solitary Studios ni Kenneth eh. Yung flashlight, takot ako sa yung ganitong mechanics ng flashlight, yung parang sumusunod sa cursor. It haunts me, bro. Man, this place is giving the creeps. I got goosebumps all over. Oh. Tao po. Yeah, same here. Let's set up our gear in the barn first before we start looking around. Okay, asan yung barn? Tao po. Check the barn. Oh, doon. Mga vlogger ah. Vloggerism. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Asan na yung barn? Barn. Hello? Sa kabila ba ako dapat dadaan? Layo na nilakad ko. Ah, sa kabila nga. Ano ba? Magugulat pa ako sa'yo eh. Stop this. Okay. Ito na tayo doon. So, barn. Barn. Ito pala yung daanan, no? Doon pa ako dumaan. Oh my god. Okay. What's happening here? Okay. Set up. Yo, this place is perfect to place a setup. The laptop. Set up ka na, laptop. Wait, I think I left the equipment in the car. Can you grab? Ay, naku po. Galing na tayo doon, my friend. Iniwan mo pa. Check the car trunk. Doop, 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 doop. Laan ko maliligaw. Hindi ito yung kotse Kung maliligaw. Walang maliligaw dito. There you go. Get the equipment. And go back. Magic dinosaur. I swear, I'm never going with Ethan again after this. Like, seriously, what the hell is even doing here? Trying to mess with the ghost or what? Hi, Riza. Kulay red ka ata ngayon. Parang ngayon, nawala yung kasama ko. Hey, dude, I got the equipment. Can we start? Pre! Ethan! Don't do this to me, Ethan. Where the hell did you go? Stop messing around. Ethan! Talaga naman, no? Nawala pa eh. Ethan. May kumagalansag Si Ethan. Ethan! Huwag ka naman ganyan. Oh. Ethan, I know you're up there. Ethan, naririnig kita Asan ba yun? Aakyatin ko ba yun si Ethan? Umakyat ba si Ethan doon? Ethan, huwag mong ganito sa akin. Ethan. Ethan. Boy, asan ka boy? Ethan. Wala naman si Ethan dito. Baba na ako. Ethan. Where Ethan, my friend? Hoy! Oh! Ayun. I know it. It was you. What are you doing up here? Tawagin mo parang aso. Ni Pyle. Oo nga no, si Ethan. Hoy! Ethan! Let's just get done this. So we can go home already. Ethan! Ano ba? Are you deaf or what? Ano ba to si Ethan, boy? Hey, idiot. What are you doing off there? What the heck? And why are you yelling my name? I just went to take a piss in the cornfield. Ethan? Hindi ikaw yun? I thought I saw you standing there motionless. Am I tripping? Ethan? Cut the cup. You're just scaring yourself. Get down here. Let's finish setup. Doppelganger. Wait, hindi ko pa pala napalitan yung title ko sa Twitch. Lol. Kalimutan ko. Early access. Dead Freed. There you go. Doppelganger. Kaya nga. Ethan! Hindi, yung sa purple yung hindi ko pa napalitan. Ayan na, set up na. All goods now. I'll go inside and you stay here and monitor the cameras. Yeah. Just make it fast. I want to go home ASAP. Naka ring light pa talaga, oh. What the heck? Gantong-ganto yung itsura ng ring light ko ngayon. Crazy. Okay. Papasok na ako. Uy! Naging kalbo. I'm going now. Stay safe here. Don't die, dude. I've got the car keys, so you're not going anywhere. Yeah, screw you. Just go and do your thing. Well, okay. Let's go. Dayas. Enter the house. Ito na nga ba? Ito na. Woo! Woo! Tao po. Woo! 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 Tao po. Oh my god. Alright. This is it. Okay, ako na si Ethan ngayon. Tao po. This is so creepy. Talaga, creepy talaga dito, boy. Okay, saan ako pupunta? That's the question. Saan ako unang pupunta? Ano yan? May interactive stuff. Saan ako pupunta, ha? Ano meron dito? Is there something here? Wala? Basement? Basement to? Set up. Ano ba magko-content ba ako dito? Something? Ano yung sinet up ko? Oh! Hello? Are you here? Are you friendly? Are you close? Try to position camera. I'm booting the laptop now. Oh my god. Para saan yung voice activation? Para sa spirit box! Let's go! Camera. Ghost hunting. Setup muna, of course. Parang pasma lang. Paano ka mag-ghost hunt? Paano ka makakuha ng evidence kung wala kang pang setup, right? We go setup. Taas naman. Tao po. Kala ko mata. Bakit ganun? Kuya Pile! Hello, Kuya Pile! Sumabay pa yung gulat. Meron ako early access ng Dead Feeds. Kakalaro ka lang din ng taguan. Okay. Ano meron? Tapos ka na mag-livestream, Kuya Pile? Naka-livestream ka sa sa YouTube. Okay. Let's set up. That's the last one. I'll set up all the cameras. You can check them now. Okay. Asan na ako? Naligaw ako. Ay! Oh my... Oo nga, Kuya Pile. Mamaya ka na dito. May spoil ka pa. Okay. Ayun si Ethan. Baka maging scripted bukas. Mas gusto niya yung mahulog. HD 4K. Hey ghosts, if you guys are real, give me a sign or something. Hello, are you here? Are friendly? Are you here? Hello, ghost. If you're real, come prove it. Suck my suck my oh my god. Hey Ethan, I don't think that's a good idea. Baka hindi lang isubo yan. Baka kagatin yan. Killman, don't worry. Just watch the camera and tell me if you see a Dracula. As of na, wala pa naman. Freaking idiot. Just do your thing and get out of there. Then... Okay. What is happening? Wala pa naman nakikita. Whoa! Yo! Dude, I saw something move fast in the kitchen. Ano? Oh really? Something fast, huh? Ba't parang hindi siya natatakot? I swear, I'm not lying. There's something there, dude. Alright, fine. I'll check it out. Just keep watching. Kitchen. Anong cam yung kitchen? To. We watch the kitchen, right? Ano nangyayari? Saw something. I swear I saw someone there. Ang tapang naman nito. Nah, there's no one here, just like I thought. Are you sure about what you saw? Ang tapang naman nito ni Ethan, bro. Yes, damn it. I believe me, dude. I know what I saw. Fine, hey ghost. Come out now. Interact with the EMF meter if you're here. Hello, are you here? Are you friendly? Are you close? Talk to me. Ganun yan, di ba? Uy, ba't ako nagtanggal ng laptop? Yo, what happened? Why the laptop turned off? Oh, namatay yung laptop ko bigla. Hello? Turn on laptop. Yo, Ethan, the laptop won't turn on. I can see the feed. Baka hindi na umano si Ethan, ah. Ethan, do you copy? Hello? Hala, nawala na si Ethan. Ah, shit. Pupuntahan ka ba si Ethan doon? Um, what should I do? Ethan? Wow. May naglalakad sa likod ko. Sige na, laptop na ako. Ayoko na neto. Let me laptop. Come on, turn on. Magbukas na yan, please. Come on. I wanna dance in the dark. Op! Andiyan na naman yung nasa taas. Low battery. Low battery ba to? Labang battery. Painitin natin yung laptop. Baka uminit yung laptop kaya namatay. Hello? Broski. Ayaw magbukas ng ng laptop. Can you open, bro? Hello? Miss? Oh my god, may babae pala doon. That can be a ghost. Hello, ate. Don't look at her, Sam. It disappear when you're not looking at it. Okay. Di na ako titingin dyan. Okay lang. Ba't nandyan ka pa din? Hindi na nga kita tinitignan. Okay. Bibilang ako 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yan! Very good! Okay, no. Sino yun? What? Ethan! Asan na si Ethan? Bro, hindi na sumasagot si Ethan. Ethan, sagot na, please. Do you copy? Kahit pala kay Ethan, hindi na din ako naririnig. Full cam na ba to? Yes! Alright, let's finish this. Show yourself. Ano? My God. Ay! Oh my God! Tumutunog ka. Yo, Sam, cut it out. I know you hear me. The EMF final pick up reading. Oh my God, fine, I'll do it myself. Bro, wala na silang contact sa isa't isa. Use spirit box. Ito na, magsasalita na ba ako? Pwede ko na ba gamitin yung mic ko? Turn on spirit box. Level 2 lang yung EMF pa. Talk to spirits. Hello? Hey Ethan, I don't think that's a good idea. Baka hindi lang isubo yan. Baka kagatin ni... What the heck? Doon pa na-cover! What? Ethan, do you copy? Hello? Ala, nawala na si Ethan. Ash. Oh my God. Ayun pa talaga yung nakuha na voice sample. Ba't ako nagulat sa sarili kong sigaw? Hello? I can hear voices. Gulat ako sa sarili kong sigaw. What a dummy. Ayan na, yan. EMF 5. Saka spirit box, evidence. What is that sound? Hello? Wala na, patay na si Sam, right? Namatay na ba si Sam? Tinalunan ba naman eh? Stand up. Hello, who's there? Sam? Wait, buhay pa si Sam? Sam, buhay ka ba Sam? Sam. Lakas ng kalabag mo, hoy! Ay, hindi tumitigil. I'm scared. Tatakot na ako. Ang bakit ng vibe. This is not giving. Ganito yung CR dito. Sa baba? Dito. Ay, talagang pinasok pa talaga ni Ethan. It's unlocked now. Hello? Oh my god. May access na ulit ako sa camera. Ethan? Anong meron? Ina mo! Ina mo, Bennett! Kaya pala dead feed eh. Mamamatay ako dun sa feed eh. Oh my god. Ano nangyari sa akin? Sam, wake up. Asan na ba si Ethan? Broski, teka nga. Patay muna ng electric fan. Lugi, natatakot ako. Namamawis yung paa ko. Pati yung puwet ko, namamawis na din. Ba dito? Yo! Ethan! Ka nandyan? Ethan! Ethan, do you hear me? What's wrong with you? Dude, I'm coming in to get you. Wait for me. Screw this ghost hunting. Okay. Punta na natin siya, I guess. Enter the house. Dam-dam kasi to eh. Imbes na anuhin lang, silipin lang yung pinto. Bye, Lay, may pasok pa bukas. Thank you sa pagdaan sa stream. Good night, good night, good night. Okay. Saan yun? Second floor. Sa taas. Right? Yung camera na yun. Ethan, hello. Alam ko sa taas yung setup na yun eh. This house is freaking creepy. Ayan no, pinasok niya to eh. Ayan. What? Okay then. Nakalak yung pinto doon. Ethan. Where are you, Ethan? Natatakot na ako, Ethan. Huwag kang ganyan, Ethan. Tao po. Ethan! Ethan! Palpatalikod ka maglakad! Ethan! Ethan! Ethan, please! 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 What the heck? 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 What the heck talaga? Anong gagawin ko dito? Bolt cutter? Ba't kasi baliktad? Bubuksan ko to. Ganun na lang. Patapangan na lang. Bubuksan ko to. Sige. Sige. Open. Ano? Sino matapang? Oh my god. What the heck? No. Alis na. I need to go. Ayoko na. Ba't nag-i-start yung motor? Ba't nag-i-start yung kotse? Boy! Who's in the car? Kaya nga. What? I have a feeling about this dude. What? This is record the footage and get the hard Sila yun? Wait! Nasa loop sila? Paulit-ulit sila dito? Wait, paulit-ulit sila doon. What? Paulit-ulit sila doon sa loop yun. Loop yung nangyari. Loop yung nangyari kay Ethan saka kay Sam. What? Oh my god. Binibigla nyo ako sa plot twist nyo, ha? So yung mga namatay doon, sila din yun. Silang dalawa din. Kaya pala sabi ko parang kamukha. What the heck, bro? Oh my god! Nadali ako ng jump scare. Grabe yung gumapang dun sa camera. Alright, so ayun lang muna yung video natin for tonight. Subscribe ka na sa akin para ma-notify ka sa mga next videos ko. Like mo na din kung nagustuhan mo. At sana makita pa uli ka sa mga next videos ko.
Kahit mag-isa lang ako, mag-isa lang ako. Ang hirap maghanap ng kakampi. Kahit anong sabihin ko, walang nag-iintindi. Mag-isa lang ako, kahit malungkot ang nararamdaman.